In this project, I'm going to show you like how you can detect a ball, and with the ball detection you can make many projects. So I have a green color ball, and you can see that the ball is detected in OpenCV program, and like the radius you can find with the circle in yellow color, and the coordinates you can find it in red color. So I can just show you the coordinates. It's showing over here, so you can see the coordinates is forming. So the coordinates like 40 and 430. So this is the x value and this is the y value which you can use in your own projects. So you can just download the code from the instructable link which is attached in this video. So here we are going to start with the instructable, where I have given all the things. So first of all, like what are the softwares and library you need. So once you have installed Python, you will be requiring OpenCV. So you can just go to OpenCV and you can copy this and run it in the command prompt. Second, you have to install NumPy. So just copy this and click it in the command file, and then imutil. So after these three done, we are ready for the code. So over here in instructable, when you go to the step 2, you can see I have added the ball tracking.py. So you can download this file and then you can just open it. So since I already have downloaded it, I can just go to ideally, open ideally, and so it may take some time, and then we'll open. Ball detection. Okay, so this is the code, and like over here we are detecting these two values. We are setting to track the green color ball. This is the lower value of green and this is the upper value of green. So if you want to have any other color, you can just change the values over here. And after that, like this is the code where you are going to find the like x and y value for the circle in this place. So now I'll just go to run module, and it will take some time to start. Okay, so you can see once the ball is coming in the middle, the value is start running. Whenever I throw it, also it's able to capture.